There's a reason some living rooms feel expensive the second you walk in, before you've noticed a single price tag. It isn't the furniture, it's the decisions behind it. And in 2026, those decisions are changing. Welcome back to Nessa Home Project, where we turn ordinary rooms into spaces that feel considered, calm, and quietly expensive. Today we're walking through the 8 living room trends shaping 2026. What's arriving, what's leaving, and how to bring each one home without a designer's budget. Let's get into it. The loud era is over. In 2026, luxury stops announcing itself. No visible logos, no showroom sets, no furniture chosen because it photographs well. What replaces it is restraint. Fewer pieces, better made, arranged with room to breathe. Here's the practical version. Before you buy anything, remove 3 things. Most rooms don't need more. They need less, done better. Cold gray has finally left the building. 2026 belongs to soft cream, warm taupe, oat, clay, and deep chocolate brown. Colors that hold light instead of flattening it. The trick is layering shades of the same family rather than mixing contrasting ones. Cream walls, oat sofa, taupe cushions, a chocolate throw. One family, 4 depths. Then add black. A lamp base, a frame, a candle holder. One dark anchor stops warm neutrals from turning muddy. Furniture in 2026 is sculptural. Curved sofas, rounded armchairs, coffee tables shaped more like objects than tables. The room stops reading as a set of boxes and starts reading as a composition. You don't need to replace everything. One curved piece in a room of straight lines does the work, usually the coffee table because it sits at the center of every sightline. This is the one that separates expensive-looking rooms from expensive-feeling ones. Marble, travertine, solid oak, leather, linen, boucle. Materials that age, catch light differently through the day, and feel like something under your hand. If real stone isn't in the budget, don't fake it across a whole surface. Buy one small, honest piece, a travertine bowl, a stone candle holder, a solid wood stool, and let it sit near what you've got. Real in small doses beats fake at scale every time. Most rooms are lit by one ceiling light. That's the single biggest thing making a space look cheap. "2026 lighting is layered, an oversized sculptural pendant overhead, floor and table lamps at eye level, and hidden strips washing light up a wall or under a shelf. 3 sources minimum, all of them warm, 2,700 Kelvin, no higher, and every one of them on a dimmer. Change nothing else in your room and this alone will transform it. Shelves crowded with small things read as clutter. Shelves with 3 deliberate things read as design. 2026 decor is fewer, larger, and more personal. 1 oversized artwork instead of a gallery wall. 1 tall sculptural vase instead of 6 small ones. The rule I use: if you can't say why something is in the room, it isn't in the room. The most luxurious technology in 2026 is the technology you can't see. Speakers built into walls, cables routed and hidden, screens set into joinery or behind panels. Smart lighting controlled by scene, not by switch. Start with cables. Nothing undoes a beautiful room faster than a tangle behind the sofa, and fixing it costs almost nothing. The last trend is the one that undoes the others slightly, and that's the point. Rooms that look copied from a catalog don't feel expensive. They feel unoccupied. 2026 leaves space for the personal, the books you've actually read, the piece you brought home from somewhere, the chair that isn't part of a set. A perfect room is a showroom. A considered room with one honest, personal thing in it is a home. Which trend are you bringing home first? Comment below and subscribe before the next room.